This ceiling cost nothing extra to create. It comes standard with the building. This is not a warehouse. This is not a storage unit. This is a 2,490 square foot home that cost $80 per square foot to build. For the next few minutes, I am showing you 5 Quonset Barndominium interiors that will completely destroy every assumption you have about what these buildings look like inside. If you think Quonset huts are ugly, industrial, or impossible to make beautiful, watch what happens next. I spent 2 weeks collecting images and data from completed Quonset Barndominiums across the country. Real homes, real people living in them. These homes feature sweeping curved roof lines that add bold aesthetics while maximizing interior space, and large windows flood the home with natural light. What you are about to see will change how you think about this building type. Let's go. Number 1. The Loft Masterpiece. This is a 2,490 square foot Quonset with a full second-story loft. The sweeping curved roofline maximizes interior space, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, with a loft perfect for additional living or workspace. An open concept floor plan enhances the flow between kitchen, dining, and living areas, creating a seamless environment for entertaining and relaxation. Here is what makes this work. That continuous arch from wall to wall creates 20 feet of ceiling height at the peak. The loft overlooks the main living area, offering flexible space for a home office, guest room, or play area. The ceiling finish is tongue-and-groove pine following the natural curve. The warmth of the wood against the geometry of the arch creates an architectural moment you cannot buy in conventional construction at any price. The primary suite on the main floor offers privacy. 2 bedrooms upstairs. This is a fully functional family home with drama that flat ceilings simply cannot deliver. Number 2. The Industrial Modern. Not every Quonset interior hides the arch. Some celebrate it. This interior leaves the corrugated steel panels exposed overhead, applies spray foam insulation with a finish coat, and leans into the industrial aesthetic completely. The wide open spaces for kitchen, dining, and living areas are right on trend. Plus, a stunning view rail stair system adds a modern touch. Black steel pendant lights descending from the ribs, polished concrete floors reflecting the geometry above, open steel shelving in the kitchen. This is not trying to look like a traditional house. This is what it is, and it is stunning because of that honesty. Maximizing natural light was a big priority, taking full advantage of the open ends of the Quonset hut with plenty of windows and steel beams propping up the sides, bringing in as much light as possible. The confidence of a space that knows exactly what it is and owns it completely. Number 3. The Luxury Hybrid. The rounded stucco facade gives a nod to the architecture of Santorini, Greece, adding timeless charm. This Quonset uses the arch for the main living space, but adds architectural details that elevate it beyond industrial. Angled cedar beams support the flat roof structure over the lanai and master porch. The blend of materials, steel arch, wood beams, stucco end walls, creates layers of texture and sophistication. The large windows in the living room and master suite bring in stunning views of the outdoor lanai, porch, and optional pool. The barrel-vaulted ceiling is prominent and beautiful. High ceilings and large barrel-vaulted rooms combined with structural steel and special connector plates allow flexibility in shaping and creating necessary fenestration for better view and natural light. This is a vacation home, a retirement property, the kind of space people dream about, and it is achievable because the Quonset system delivers this architecture at a fraction of conventional costs. Number 4. The Modern Minimalist. Some Quonset interiors go radical with simplicity. This interior is almost entirely white. White painted arch ceiling, white walls, polished white concrete floors. The only color comes from natural wood furniture and the landscape visible through massive glass end walls. The transparency at both ends creates a visual connection to the outdoors that makes the interior feel twice its actual size. Light floods from both directions simultaneously. The restraint here is powerful. No clutter, no unnecessary detail, just pure volume, natural light, and the dramatic geometry of the arch doing all the architectural work. This approach works because the arch itself is so visually interesting that it needs nothing else competing for attention.
Number 5. The rustic luxe. The final interior proves you can make a Quonset feel like a luxury mountain lodge. Reclaimed wood from actual barns. Reclaimed barn wood provides authentic agricultural character when used for accent walls while requiring proper sealing to prevent weathering. A floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace that follows the curve of the arch. Exposed steel beams painted black, contrasting warm wood tones. Leather furniture, warm amber lighting. This interior takes the Quonset arch and wraps it in every luxury finish you would find in a high-end traditional home, and the result is extraordinary. The curved ceiling adds warmth the flat ceiling cannot. The volume creates intimacy despite size. Every design choice honors both the industrial origin and the residential present. 5 interiors, 5 completely different aesthetics, 1 building type. The Quonset arch is not a limitation, it is an opportunity. If these interiors changed how you see this building type, subscribe. I have a lot more Quonset content coming that covers the real costs, the real build process, and the real results. See you in the next one.